What if learning science didn't begin with a textbook, but with curiosity? As a part of Prerna, today, Prayoga welcomed 54 students from BRV Public School to our campus for a day of hands-on, movement-based science learning. But this wasn't just another science session. It was a research journey. In physics, we explored a simple question. Does learning happen better when students experience first or when they learn the theory first? The concept was Rayleigh scattering. The reason the sky appears blue during the day and turns shades of red and orange during sunrise and sunset. One group began with an experiment, observing how light scattered before discovering why. The other understood the theory first, then stepped into the experiment. Later, the groups switched, ensuring that every student receives both experiences. As they learned, we observed both groups of students going through 3 stages of understanding. Enactive, learning by doing, iconic, learning through images, and symbolic is learning through abstract language and numbers.
We had a wonderful day. We enjoyed a lot doing hands-on experiments. We had built curiosity and we had learned activities on different streams like chemistry, biology and physics. We even learned from our mistakes, which is a very great thing.
The exploration continued in biology, where students used paper chromatography to separate the hidden pigments inside green leaves, revealing that a single leaf contains many different colors. In chemistry, colors came alive once again, as chemical reactions recreated the familiar red, yellow, and green of traffic signals, helping students understand the science behind color changes. The day continued with reflections from students and teachers who shared how the experience changed the way they looked at science, not as a subject to memorize, but as something to question, explore, and understand. Because at Prayoga, learning begins with curiosity, grows through experience, and stays for a lifetime.
The concepts learned here, it's apt for 21st century skills. There are no passive learners here, only active doers. Everyone, all the students engaged themselves actively and participated in all the experiments.